The team are going to be mobile out in the network. We want them to be available to go to the vessels across our area, that they're going to be able to mitigate potential issues and take a more proactive response to our maintenance that we carry out across the fleet. They'll be working closely with the onboard engineering maintenance team on each of the major vessels to actually look at what they can do, plan maintenance, continual monitoring of electrical and mechanical systems while the vessels are in operation. We're looking to increase the technical reliability of the fleet.